Kodak Smile Instant Digital Printer will give your pics a life of their own. Before using the Kodak Smile Instant Printer, charge it by plugging the micro USB cable into the port on the side. The LED light flashes red when the battery is low, a solid red light when charging, and turns solid green when fully charged. Once the printer is powered up, load the ink-free, sticky-back zinc paper into the printer. Remove the tray cover at the rear of the device to open the paper tray. Load the paper with the blue calibration sheet on the bottom, barcode facing down. The blue calibration sheet will print out before your first photo does. To turn the printer on, slide the small, ridged panel away from the center. To turn the device off, simply press the printing slot back down. Download the Kodak Smile app on your iPhone or Android device and open it. To start printing, first make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Follow the instructions to pair your phone with the printer, which should be turned on already and assigned a number on your Bluetooth list. After a few seconds, your phone should say paired. This means you're good to go. And the Kodak Smile Instant Digital Printer is ready to join you for the ride.